Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Sovrn Commerce for display monetization step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Sovrn Commerce website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click the button to access the registration form. Complete the registration form with your personal information. Provide your website details and ensure they are accurate. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Submit your registration form to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from Sovrn Commerce. Click the verification link to activate your account. Log in to your newly created account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the option for display monetization. Follow the setup instructions provided on the dashboard. Choose the types of ads you want to display. Customize the ad placements according to your website's layout. Generate the ad code by following the on-screen prompts. Copy the generated ad code to your clipboard. Access your website's content management system. Paste the ad code into the appropriate sections of your website. Save your changes and publish the updates. Monitor your ads through the Sovrn Commerce dashboard. Review your performance metrics regularly to optimize your monetization strategy. Make adjustments to your ad placements and settings as needed. Stay informed about any updates by checking back to your Sovrn Commerce account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.